Today we're going to have a look at the unboxing of the Boss Air Suspension ASC2 airbag controller. So we'll just open that box up and have a look inside. Remove the foam padding and have a look at the top deck. So as we can see, we have the wiring harness that links the system together. We have a key fob for adjustment of the system up and down. We also have the remote control. That's a multi-function remote control with three presets. And the relay, which forms part of the electrical wiring system. Now let's have a look underneath. Okay, so underneath we have a heavy-duty battery cable, which includes the necessary fuses, and the brains of the system, the ECU and valve block. Now, as you can see, it's a very simple system to install. It's pretty well plug and play and can be used in a wide variety of Boss applications for all sorts of air systems.